Welcome back all. My chart of the day, what I believe is going to be the chart of the week for me, is AUDUSD. Let's break it down. I'm going to start on a monthly time frame. We're in a new month. So on AUDUSD, we've got this trend line from the top of the chart, 1st of February. Okay, all of this is contained within the channel, okay? But at the top, we've got a trend line, right? We made it 1.2 point, here manipulated it, okay? And then we came down and broke structure, okay? We broke this swing point here, okay? We've come down below this demand over here as well, okay? And we've just left the wick. Now, over here, let me get the drawings on so you can see, wait, sorry, the indicators on. Okay. When we came outside here and we grabbed the trend line, as you can see, we put a wick above there. We did that above the 50 MA. We had a strong bullish candle going up, sending people up, and then it got engulfed. Okay. That's my institutional candle. If I was to just put a supply zone there, just draw it out from, let me get the, right. So if I draw the supply zone from here to here, drag it across. This is the supply that's in control that I expect to hold. And as you can see, we've already come into that supply. So now, to me, right, that's the monthly. We'll go into the weekly. So again, we've broken structure on the monthly to the downside. We've got a strong big push coming up, okay? But since then, price has kind of just gone sideways, manipulates the trend line again, taps the 50 EMA again inside the supply and starts moving down. I'm expecting the price to go to around this area as a wave 2, as this is my 1 and this would be A, B, C. Probably get that in probably end up turning into a W, X, Y. Either which way, corrective structure down to that point. We jump onto the weekly time frame and see what the weekly's got to show us, right? So we're on the weekly time frame. As you can see, this is my 1. That's a corrective move down, corrective move up, corrective move down, pushing up, and I'm looking for price to come lower. Let's zoom into this weekly quickly. Okay. So we left the gap there and we've partially filled it. We filled a lot of that gap, but not all of it. And came right up to that wick, almost created equal highs, almost, and started shooting down again, okay? On Monday. I think this is a Monday that is not a false move. All they've done is kept the price close today. A lot of the markets went sideways today, wouldn't come out of their ranges. Okay, remember the blue line. This is why the blue line is important to me, and why the blue line is where I would say to put stop losses at, okay? Because this daily candle came up, didn't just come up and take that high, but it came down and went right below that candle. So that's an engulfment. True, it didn't close below it, okay, but you can see that the bearish pressure has come here to make a whole daily candle get above, yeah, just above this wick into the supply, which is also a daily fair value gap. And we've come down and we've inverted this other fair value gap over here. Okay, we haven't closed below that either, granted, okay, but we have grabbed the trend line again, took that high and engulfed it to the downside. So still looking lower. We've gone below the 50 EMA. Let's see what the 4 hour time frame has to show us. Okay, so potentially that could be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Nope. So somewhere here, let's put the count on. I've got a 1. I haven't put the count on. I'm wondering if this is where I was marking up the chart now. Don't worry, we'll stick here. Okay, so move that up. Somewhere here, I'd say we've got 1 right here. Okay, or A. 1 or A. Okay. Because obviously I'm looking for a corrective move down, but there will be impulsive moves in that move down, okay? Which this could be 1, 1. A, B, C, 2. And right here, I think this is our 1 of 3. And I believe we're in the 2 of 3. I don't believe it's finished. I don't believe this market's going to go down there. I think we're going to get a bit more sideways, grab the trend line yet again, and move down. Don't forget, this was the monthly one. This one was created. By the way, it's a channel, okay? I've got this red line here, giving us another trend line here. So looking for price to grab that and then go lower. So that's really it for AUDUSD. I mean, I can keep going down to the smaller time frames, like we're on the 1 hour time frame now, okay? But ultimately, it's looking like an expanding diagonal here, okay? Other than that, we got 1 2 1 2 1 2, because I'm certain about this 1 2, okay? I don't think this is finished. I think we might induce lower, pull up a bit, and then tank. So yeah, that's what we're waiting for on AUDUSD. It's my chart of the day, it's the chart of the week, the one I'm watching the most. I will come back to you with some updates on the other charts, but for now, I thought I would share this. Okay, so literally just looking for price to get to the trend line, okay, into this supply area, this last up move before this down move that broke everything, okay, and had a couple closes below. We're looking to continue that and to at least see the near bottom of this channel, which would be at least this blue line here for me. So thanks a lot for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back later. All right, peace.